Okay, let's... Come on, man. Not cool.
He's awfully nimble. And people think he's a mage. What a joke. I'll expose you for what you really are.
Oh yeah, he's definitely a step above the other S-ranks. But I can still dodge him.
Smiling again? This whole runaround thing is getting on my nerves. Change of plans. I'm gonna kill him!
Is he all right?
Careful with that thing. Someone could have lost an eye.